Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to fix the issue of Pokemon Go not opening on your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart your device. A simple restart can resolve minor software glitches. Turn your device off, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on. Step 2. Check for updates. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Pokemon Go. If an update is available, download and install it to fix potential bugs. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, tap Apps, App Management, find Pokemon Go game, the storage, and tap Clear Cache. If the issue persists, select Clear Data, but clearing data will log you out, so ensure you know your login credentials. Step 4. Free up storage space. Make sure your device has enough free storage space. Delete unused apps, files, or large videos to free up memory. Step 5. Check app permissions. Open Settings, then Apps, find Pokemon Go permissions. Ensure all required permissions like location and storage are enabled. Step 6. Check internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out connection issues. Step 7. Reinstall Pokemon Go. Uninstall the app and then reinstall it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Log back in using your Pokemon Go credentials. Step 8. Check device compatibility. Ensure your device meets the system requirements for Pokemon Go. Older or unsupported devices may struggle to run the app. The last step is contact Niantic support. If the problem persists, visit the Niantic support websites or Twitter page or use the in-app help option in another device to report the issue. That's how you can fix Pokemon Go is not opening on your device. Follow these steps and we will be back to catching Pokemon in no time. If this video guide helped, please like, subscribe, and share for more fixes and tips.